Here's a good YouTube movie I just found. Haven't watched it, but run across this title. If you see a coin in your car door handle, run and call the police. I've been driving cars, owned cars since I was 16 years old. Owned cars continuously. There was no gap where I didn't own a car. All the cars I've owned since I was a teenager had door handles. Well, I had one car that didn't have a door handle. It had a screen latch on it to keep it shut. But the rest of them all had door handles. And since owning cars since I was 16 years old with door handles, I never found a coin in the door handle. So I don't know if I can use the advice of this video or not. Maybe it might take another lifetime to find a coin in the door handle.